Hello? Okay. Everything's fine. My mic stopped working there for a second. Let me restart. Hey guys, Scott300 here, and welcome to Happy Wheels. Now, this may be the first and only Happy Wheels video I'll do on the channel, but hey, we're gonna have some fun, so let's just do the user create levels, because those are the best. So, deep sea ball throw, let's play that. Oh, okay. Chair. Oh, okay. One egg. Oh god, the ball's stuck in my butt. No! The ball's stuck in my butt! Okay, 5 eggs. Oh no. Oh, okay. Death by speed. No. Jared. Question mark. What's that? Really? Come on. TV. What the fuck? What? Okay, one more try. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I'm back. Something scared me for a minute. I had to go check it out. There's my hair. We're gonna. Oh god. Forgot how to play all of a sudden. There we go. Drum boy. Okay. Come on, TV. What? There's no win. No, screw that. Okay. Oh no, I messed everything up. Alright, I hope that's back to where it was. See here. Pogo Fight Extreme. Let's try that. Bruh. Let's see here. Kill your enemies. Okay, let's see here. The man who broke into your house. Die in a bunch of fire. Die in a bunch of fire. Alright, let's see here. Go. Oh, forward. There we go. Alright, let's see here. Your school bully. I hate bullies, man. Gotta get rid of them. You gotta get rid of those bullies, dude. The man who killed your friend. Not my best friend. You die. Okay. The guy who pushed you in line at the grocery store. Nobody pushes me in line. Die. Your stepmom, Karen, that you hate. And a head. Die, Karen, die. Great job of murdering everyone. Okay. Oh, no, I messed everything up again. Messed the screen up again. Okay, we're fine. Neon yellow ball throw. Okay. See what. Okay. Surprise. Oh, man. Well, this is late. Okay, let's see here. Ooh. What? Okay. Die. That's my spleen flying through the air. Pick up the... Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button. Come on. 10 balls. Wow. Come on. Like that. Surprise for Kobe. No! You know what? Screw this level.
100% impossible. I can beat that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bro. Oh. What? Come on, man.
Let's search if anything has something for me. Did anything create anything for me? Really? Come on. Alright, let's switch my name. Games. Oh, the ball fell out. Oops, they frozen. Wait, wind's right here. Oh, man. Oh. What? This is a troll level. Continue? Yes. Okay. Okay, fine. Oh no, I messed everything up again. Hulk! Okay, I gotta switch to a different character and... Hulk! Smash! Oh my god, I gotta do that again. Upsy daisy and downsy. Yes. Oh man. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it for my video. I will see you guys in the next video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.